Hi, I'm Thomas Berry, a sales executive here at truLeads Technology. I want to chat with you today about how you can manage your leads better and how to get more out of your online leads. What we've noticed in the industry is that your lead is 5 times more likely to buy from the first person who contacts them. So putting metrics in place like either having an automated email to come out from your website or using a tool like truLeads that sends automated emails and follows up with the client, that just stops them from going and looking online for another product. If they know that you're looking into their quote and you're going to get in contact with them, they're less likely to keep shopping online. The other thing is how aggressive you want to be with follow-ups. We're all guilty of it. We all make one phone call, check the box, say we've made that call, and then we move on to the next lead. Automating a system through truLeads where the system actually follows up with your lead and makes them think that they're talking to a real person and then until they make a purchase, that will help you close more leads. And then the third thing is just being organized. When a lead comes in, whether it's a phone call, a web form from an aggregator, or even just a walk-in, who's managing that lead? Who's first on it? And who sees it all the way through to close? And then, of course, the most important thing is tracking. If you're going to be spending money on digital advertising, organic search, or any kind of social media advertising, what is your actual return on investment? Are you tracking that all the way through to close or just a button click on a website? Using a tool like truLeads or any other lead management system can help you track leads all the way through to the actual close, and you'll be able to assign a dollar value to every dollar you spend on digital marketing. If you want to learn more about how to track leads coming into your brokerage, how to automate follow-ups and qualify your leads faster, better, and more efficiently, feel free to book a demo and learn more about truLeads today.